Hey guys, today we've got the Midland's two-way radio series, the LTX series. Um, Nice little set of radios, FRS type radios. We're going to do an unboxing here in this particular video. But first, I want to thank Midland for sending out, for sponsoring this review, this unboxing video. And yeah, I want to say thank you to Midland. Go check out their Amazon store or their Midland USA store. The links are in the descriptions down below. All right, so let's get to unboxing. Show you exactly what you get. This is the LTX, sorry, I keep saying that wrong. It's the LXT series radios. It's the LXT630 VP3. So I'm guessing this is like the third gen version. So looking at the box, we got two radios, 22 channels plus 14 extra channels. Now, what those 14 extra channels are is just a duplication of a couple of the previous channels with certain privacy codes set. Now, those privacy codes don't mean that your conversation is private. It just means that you won't hear anybody else talking on the same channel. It just will limit your conversations to only being picked up by your radios. Doesn't mean that somebody else can't listen into you. According to the FCC, they're not allowed to encrypt any communications over radio systems. So that's one reason why you can't. So yeah, so these are FRS level radios. So that means that they do work at the same frequencies as the GMRS. They have a slightly smaller bandwidth for audio distance, but they are also limited to 2 watts max power by the FCC. Now, reading through some of the literature, I don't know exactly what these are limited to, and according to the box, it'll do 30 miles. Probably in ideal situations it will do that. I'm going to try some real world testing here, and in along the eastern seaboard, and we'll see how far we can actually talk. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing here. So cut the tape. I'll cut myself first. So yeah, if you guys have been watching any of my videos recently here, we're doing a series on overlanding and getting gear ready for any overlanding trips you're going to be taking. For those who don't know exactly what overlanding is, it's basically camping out of your vehicle. Going places, it's backpacking in your vehicle. Going places where a lot of vehicles can't go, so you generally stay a day or two at one place and then keep moving on. So yeah, here we go. Just opening it up here. So got the owner's manual booklet right there. We've got 2 batteries. Pull them out to the side. We've got the power adapter. We'll look at that a little bit later. And the charging base. Okay, now looking at the radios, 2 of them. We got 1 and 2, and that is the entire contents of the box. All right, so let's open up. What do we got in here? So I'll pull just one of them out here. Doing this one-handed is, there we go. All right, so we got a little sticker on the front here. Shows us all the different options. There we go. All right, so we've got menu, run through the menu, up and down, monitor, scan, call frequency. Got your on-off knob here, and a fixed antenna as per the FCC regs. And on the side, you have the charging port and microphone speaker port. Okay. On the bottom, there's 2 charge ports, and it appears that the battery is in the back. So you can pull that clip off. It's just a little spring clip, and then should be able to pop that out. Grab one of these batteries. Nice little note says, please switch to high power to get maximum range. Alright, good to know. Now this particular radio, if you're not using the battery pack itself, it says that you can also use 3 AAA batteries, which I think is a great idea to have multiple sources of power. If you're prepping, that's a great idea, because then you can have AAA batteries, or you can use your rechargeable batteries. Now these rechargeable batteries are shrink wrapped. You have this little notification or little alignment tab here, so that you can only get this in one particular way. And that would be, good question. It's going to go in this direction, right like that. Okay. So you got a little loose spot there. So it'll fit right there, just like that. All right. I'll have to tuck that in there later. I'll turn it on for you. So we'll turn it on. All right, channel 1, it's on high power. Push the talk button, and it shows it's transmitting. All right, so yeah, you have channel change, the 36 channels. A couple of them look like they're showing, the indicator shows high power there. So channels, all the channels are low power channels. So if you want to get maximum range, I suggest choosing one of the higher powered channels. I'm not sure exactly what all of the menu systems is, but yeah, that's what you got. We got weather, push and hold that, I'm guessing. Yep, and it starts scanning your weather channels. And if there's an alert, it should pop up. Push to talk switches you back to your channels. All right, so that's a brief basic operation of these radios. So again, they are FRS. They are so they're limited to at least, or at most, 2 watts of power. And yeah. So yeah, hey, if you guys found this interesting, or you're looking to buy one of these, please click one of the links in the description. It helps out me, helps out the channel, helps me bring stuff like this to you guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Helps the metrics of the channel, and helps my content get shared to other people. If you found this useful, let me know in the comments what you'd like to see specifically about these. Another video I have coming up is I have a GMRS mobile base station, and I want to make sure, see if these things will communicate with that base station. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, check out the next couple of videos, and you let me know what you're interested in seeing. All right, guys, talk to you later.